In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete meals on Myfitnesspal. If you're managing your diet and logging your meals on Myfitnesspal, you might sometimes find the need to remove entries due to mistakes or changes in your meal plan. In this brief tutorial, we're going to walk through the easy steps to delete meals from your Myfitnesspal account. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Myfitnesspal website. If you're not familiar, just open your preferred web browser and type in Myfitnesspal, and you'll see the link to the official site. Once there, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up to access the features we'll be talking about today. Don't worry, signing up is straightforward and free, and it will allow you to fully utilize all of Myfitnesspal's meal tracking capabilities. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the navigation options available on your homepage. What you're looking for is the Food tab. Give that a click and you'll be taken to the section where you can manage your dietary information and meal entries. You'll find a few options under the Food tab, but today we're focusing on My Meals. Clicking this link will show you a list of all the meals you've entered. You can view detailed information about each of these meals, including the nutritional content. Next, you'll want to identify the specific meal entry that you wish to delete. Maybe it's a lunch from last Tuesday that never happened, or perhaps a breakfast log you mistakenly duplicated. Scroll through your list, and once you've found the meal entry you'd like to remove, click on it. This action will bring up the details for that specific meal. Finally, to the task at hand, deleting the meal. Look for the option that says Delete Selected Meal. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation to ensure that you really want to remove this meal from your records. This is a safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. Once confirmed, the meal is successfully deleted from your records and you won't see it in your meal log anymore. And there you have it. You've learned how to delete meals on Myfitnesspal. Remember, keeping your meal log accurate is essential for tracking your dietary goals effectively. Whether you're correcting a mistake or just clearing out old entries, now you can do so effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.